Folks, you see it. That's a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Yup, it's a limited and it's a loaded. Yup, got the big panel sky roof. You see that's open right now. You got 4x4. You got the factory alloys. You got navigation, backup cam, blind spot monitoring, power rear gate, heated and cooled front leather seating, driver's side memory, all buttoned up, folks. You get a lot of options on these Santa Fe's. This one's gonna definitely be eligible for our guaranteed credit approval program. So that means that you can get into a car like this starting at $995 down. That's correct, $995 starting down payment on this vehicle. Owner's got his stuff in here right now. He's been doing the road test on it, put a couple hundred miles on it, and says it drives perfect. That's a great sign. Fully serviced, safety inspected, and ready to go, folks. It's the Das Cleveland way. Documented everything on this vehicle. Free Carfax available online for you to view. Let's take another look. Lots of options. Lots of bells and whistles. Great price. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Come on down, DasCleveland.com.